Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters if you would like to narrow down your search on the Getaround application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search button down below and then select the location and the pickup date and the return date on the right side. And after that, at the top of the screen, you can check out the filters that you can apply, such as the total price, so you can indicate the price range on this slide. Then click on show results. You can also add filters in terms of the vehicle type, such as commercial, city, and so on. So tap on relevant ones. Here you can see that you can select from a bunch of options. Then as you slide to the right side, you can set the pickup method and you can apply more filters such as instant booking, number of seats, recent car only, and features can be added when you are done. Click on the show results button and then you will be able to browse among the results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.